Hi, my name is Landon Shelton.
I'm Jalen Holt.
Welcome back to the Eye of the Hurricanes. Well, Jalen, looks like zombies are roaming around the school now.
Well, Halloween was just a week ago.
Unless you've been hiding under a rock in the abandoned ag room, there's a plywood wall behind us here, blocking the entrance of the school.
That's right, Landon. And it's rumored that something's happening behind here.
That's indeed, Jalen. Let's figure out what these kids have found out about this.
Franco Lopez, Williamson, Kade, Rocko Sanchez,
Hello? Hello? Is anybody here?
Wrong door. You're looking for the wrong door. Turn around.
I went to the wall because I wish to live deliberately, to front only the essential facts of life, and to see if I could not learn what it had to teach, and not, when I came to die, discover that I had not lived.
Kamora, what do you think is behind this plywood wall right here behind us?
Zombies.
Why do you think that there's zombies behind this wall?
Because the way how it boarded up. And in a scary movie, you unlock it and they go come in the building.
You think so? You think that there's gonna be like a purge here or something like that?
Yes.
Oh.
What do you think is behind this plywood wall?
This wall?
Yes.
Behind this wall is the light of a new dawn.
Oh.
An unrelenting light that will reach us all. No one is safe from its judgment. We have to run! We have to run!
Brantley, what do you think is behind this plywood wall? Hard to say, isn't it?
Cupcakes and rainbows.
Why do you think there's cupcakes and rainbows? You think it's just happiness behind this wall?
Absolutely not. I'm just hungry.
Sounds about right.
So Jaden, what do you think is behind this plywood wall?
I've been wondering this for the longest. It seems like it's a construction site out there, but who knows what's really behind there? I mean, it could be a dragon, a dog. It could be students, like, who knows?
Like trapped students?
Yeah, who knows?
Mr. Bundridge, what do you think is behind this wall?
Well, that's a mystery. That's a mystery. From what I've been told, behind that wall is students that have failed to remain engaged. So my suggestion to you is that you remain academically active in all classes, or you may mysteriously appear behind that wall.
What do you think is behind the plywood wall?
Honestly, I think that Durhamtown.
Durhamtown?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a place where you can go ride side by sides of dirt bikes, four-wheelers, all that right there behind there. I think that's what they're building out there too.
I'm guessing you want to go there?
Yeah, you already know.
What do you think is behind this wall?
Okay, you're not going to believe this,
but I think behind that wall there's an evil clone of Mr. Bell. And like ages ago, they had to get into this epic fight that like punches. They were fighting, and like evil Mr. Bell, he has like red eyes and everything. Like, and to like finally defeat him, they had to lock him behind this wall to like save the school from evil Mr. Bell. Mr. Bell has saved us with the wall.
You heard it first here at JCHS Film.
Arr, where's me treasure? Gosh. If only I could find me treasure. Arr! You there! Bring back me treasure!
Go in and touch it, I dare you.
No way, I'm not gonna touch it.
Why not?
No amount of money that you give me is gonna make me want to touch that wall.
Fine, I'll touch it, but you owe me 20 bucks.
Go ahead, touch it. Yo, dude, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
What happened?
I don't know.
Man, bro, that wall looks weird, but we need to get out of here.
We
Come
need
on.
to get out of here.
Help. Somebody help me. Help. It won't open. I need help.
You okay?
It won't open. I need help.
Bro, that's plywood, not a door.
Then where do I get out?
Walk that way.
James, what is that noise?
I don't know. I think it's coming from the plywood wall.
Oh, yeah.
Did you hear that, James? I swear I heard something.
Oh, yeah.
I heard it this time. It sounds like the voice of something big.
James, the wall is shaking.
I think something's coming. Move back.
Hey,
Oh yeah, Kool-Aid here, bringing you fun. Kool-Aid's got this stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Like always.
Always feels like I'm in prison with these plywood walls. What do I do?
Plywood.
Breaking rocks out here on the chain gang. Breaking rocks and...
Scene 1. Shot. Scene.
7. And action. Hey, Harty, what gives, man? I thought you said you'd be done with this and we could paint on it.
What? I thought you said we had another week to film.
Well, we're ready to paint now.
Look, we're in the middle of it.
Yo, Mr. T, what gives? We're ready to paint. Let's do it. I thought you guys would be done.
I will say, Landon, there was a ton of effort into making those.
I do agree with you on there. It was a ton of passion. I love the acting. You could just tell that people were just into it.
Speaking of passion, we recently had a tiny art show with little tiny little art pieces. Pretty cool. Ooh.
Well, it actually turned out really good. I had a bunch of people participate, and you could see several different ideas. We did a Halloween theme this year, and it came out pretty good. Some of them are, like this one is not necessarily Halloween themed, but it's like kind of spooky in itself, this one too. But you know, it turned out really good. I like the way that a bunch of different students were able to display their skills in such a small setting.
Now those are pretty neat.
I will say, my favorite was Caroline. Now, Jalen, if you really think about it, we have a special staff spotlight about Miss Williamson.
We do. I'm eager to learn more about her.
It's nice to meet you, Miss Wendy.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your role in JCHS?
I'm the Career Technology Instruction Coordinator here at the high school.
How did you come to Jasper County High School?
I was looking for a new job in January of this year and made a post on Facebook with my resume and told my teacher friends to, if they loved their school, let me know. And lots of my friends from here let me know.
What do you like about JCHS?
I love the students here. You guys are really just amazing. I mean, y'all go to class when you're supposed to, you follow directions, you get along with each other for the most part. I mean, you guys have a really good community at this school.
What inspires you to come to our school every day?
You guys. I love to work with y'all and help you transition into adulthood.
That was really cool getting to know her better. Honestly, I didn't know that about her. Hey, I'm glad that she's here with us in Jasper County.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we were part of this quiz-off. Let's see how we did versus the teachers.
So what's your opinion on the quiz bowl?
It was fun. My team was selling at first. Nobody knew anything.
I think the students cheated for sure, and I think they were definitely using AI. I think they probably have Neuralink already built into their brains, and they were channeling some of that AI information out in the news sphere. So that's what was going on. It's the only possible explanation, and teachers are much older and wiser, and therefore better. So yeah, that's it. That's what was happening.
I love saying this. We're just that good. Do we really need teachers, Jalen?
Well, Landon, there are some pretty cool teachers, like Mr. Brandon.
Give that man a raise. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I know that was a lot of action for this week, but trust me, there's a lot more coming in the future weeks.
Indeed. I can't wait for Christmas.
That does conclude this week's episode of the news show. My name is Landon Shelton.
My name is Jalen Holt.
And this is the Eye of the Hurricanes.